if you log all the volume on the week, okay, on the week, on every muscle, you're hitting a ton of high quality volume on the week, okay? Less on the day, more on the week. So you're always gonna get a better result as a natural, spreading out the work. Today, I'm gonna show everybody a very basic full body workout. I'm only gonna hit 4 exercises. This would be a day that if you felt like you needed a little bit of recovery, you just cut the volume back, you still hit the whole body, and then you come back the next day. Okay, so on this row, there's no warm-ups, I'm already warm. One working set and that's it, okay? Get it tight. There we go. So what we did today. So if you watch my video from yesterday, you notice I did barbell arm curl, and you see that I basically took it fucking near to failure. That's okay. Okay, I know my body. I knew today that I wasn't gonna hit that isolated bicep exercise again. Okay? And today I just dumbed the workout down, a basic full body routine. I hit a squat, I hit a row, I hit a pull-up, and I hit a dip. Okay, some other good exercise would be like maybe a front squat and a deadlift, obviously, but I countered that deadlift, the lower back, I just hit with the row. Okay, so it's a basic routine. Somebody that trained these 4 exercises 7 days a week and threw a deadlift in there once in a while, maybe an overhead press, would have crazy fucking gains. That's how simple this shit is. High frequency, full body every day.
So what about volume? Are you hitting enough volume on the day?
Of course, because let's say I was hitting a 3-day-a-week full body routine, okay? Essentially, I just jumped in the gym and I just did another whole workout. Not counting all the other volume I'm hitting every other day. If you log all the volume on the week, okay, on the week, on every muscle, you're hitting a ton of high quality volume on the week, okay? Less on the day, more on the week. So you're always gonna get a better result as a natural spreading out the work. Okay, if I hit like 5x10 deadlift with 315 pounds, let's say, if I hit a 5x10 deadlift with 315 pounds, I would get a better result if I just hit one set of 10, 5 days in a row. Okay, because it'll give me more rest and I'll have better recovery. And in fact, once you're doing high frequency like that, you can actually amp the weight up because you're only doing 1 set per day. Okay, there's a Norwegian study did all this shit. They basically had 2 groups of people. One group, they did exact same volume. One group trained 3 days a week. The other group trained 6 days a week. Same volume. The group that trained the 6 days a week built more muscle and more fucking strength. Simple as that. Same exact volume spread out over a longer period of time.